Every single day for nearly a year now, the AMC community, the apes out there, have been here and we've never gone anywhere. Now, that's not to say that retail investors stopped caring, stopped looking, and stopped searching for AMC. It is very clear when you go out to Google Analytics that there's a huge spike up as the price spikes up, and there's a huge spike down in search volume as the price spikes down. But we notice a little bit of a divergence here on Google Analytics, and this could be an excellent indicator that we are seeing a lot of, not necessarily FOMO at this point, but a lot more attention driving back into the AMC market, driving back into these meme stocks. And yes, it could have ramifications and potentially lead to another, at least, FOMO squeeze. Not necessarily the short squeeze, but at least a FOMO squeeze. So we're going to talk about this, talk about the demand, we'll talk about the search volume, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in free cryptocurrency. So make sure to check that out. Get ready to start 2022 off right, as we are in a dip and now could be a very good buying opportunity. So make sure to get started on that. But let's talk about AMC. Now, we know that search volume has been seeing a decline ever since the June run-up. It seems like as soon as the price started to move back down, people were out. They said, forget about it. What is this? This isn't a short squeeze. This is a pump and dump. That's like if you go to nearly any other platform other than YouTube and Twitter, the storyline for AMC, retail pump and dump. Nobody should touch it. It's not worth the price it's trading at. It's done. It's over. Retail's gone. Now, we know that that is not the case. Okay, we know that the short squeeze is on the horizon. We know that the hedge funds have shorted a ridiculous amount of AMC and that they will cover those shares. We know we are here for life-changing money, and we are not leaving until we get it. But looking at the search volume, and Google Trends is a great tool to use especially if you're interested in the stock market, because it tangifies or makes tangible the amount of demand and the amount of people that could be pouring into a move. So you need to keep that in your, tool belt if you don't have it already. Now, we can see, using Google Analytics out there, that AMC stock is returning to search volume that it hasn't seen since September. This is huge because back in September, AMC was trading in the 40s. We are now trading in the lower 20s. So we are sustaining these prices here, and search volume is returning to these levels where people were excited. And when search volume is increasing, and this excitement is increasing, that could absolutely lead to a retail run-up. I'm not saying, nobody can guarantee what happens, right? I'm not guaranteeing that it leads to a retail run-up, but it absolutely could. Now, we do know what is coming up at the end of January here. January 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, they're going to be big days for AMC and GameStop, for that matter. It's going to mark the 1-year anniversary of GameStop shooting up to $450, of AMC going from $2 to $20 overnight. It marks a turning point in investing. The financial world, guys, was tipped upside down because of GameStop and AMC. And I absolutely believe that there could be some sort of a spark once that date comes, or that date, comes back up. We are going to see retail excited. We are going to see day traders excited. We are going to see swing traders excited. The price now is just as good of a buying opportunity as we had back in, January through May. You're sitting right at that $20 range, and in January, people were buying at $20 when AMC shot from $2 to $20. So, and then when we busted through it back in May, people were certainly buying as we busted up through that $20 level, and they continued adding all the way up to $70+ per share. So I'm looking at these trend analytics, and I'm saying We have more demand now than we have since September, right? What is that, 4 months? More demand is piling into AMC now. More excitement, more eyes are pouring into AMC now than we have seen in the last 4 months. This could be leading to something. And we have to keep in mind, if AMC starts to run up, you may be tempted to take your profit. Now, I don't know who I'm talking to out there, if it's apes, if it's retail traders, and so on. But listen, you may be tempted to take your profit if we get back to $50. If you break even, you might say, I have had enough of this. I have been here for a year. I'm getting out. I'm cutting my losses short. I'm finally in the green again. I'm out. Let me tell you, if you do that, the short shares win. The short shares absolutely win. Because you're giving them the stock price, or you're giving them AMC stock back for a price that they should not be able to buy it at. You have to remember what they did. And you have to remember, as the stock price moves up and you are tempted to take that profit, that's when you have to hold. It's easy to hold when the stock price is going down and nobody wants to recognize a loss. But as the stock price is going up and you're sitting on a gain finally, your numbers have turned green. You're buying more and you have more and more and more in your portfolio. You have to make that decision to hold then. Otherwise, you will never reach the life-changing money goals that we all set out for back in January 1 year ago. But I want to know what you guys are thinking, because as I look at Google Trend Analytics here and I see more people piling in, more people searching for AMC, AMC stock, AMC short squeeze, GameStop, and so on, I feel like the sentiment is being built back up again. I feel like the community is being built back up again. I feel like the excitement is pouring back in. And just as it did back in January of 2021, we could absolutely see a run in January of 2022. So I want to know what you guys think. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys are just as excited now, or if you kind of went through, I guess, a little bit of a brief period of, I don't know, not discouragement, but clearly less excitement than you had before as the stock price was rising, because we have seen just decline after decline after decline lately. So let's gauge the sentiment down in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini down in the description below. And make sure, if you guys follow me on Twitter and so on, make sure to use the links down there instead of just going out there and typing in. You might get some guy that's got a fake account. So until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.